My name is Alan Turner. My company name is That's Entertainment Dancewear, and we're based in Liverpool, and we sell dancewear, so that would be ballet shoes, point shoes. We also sell theatrical makeup. As a child, I always danced, and then I came to Merseyside for an audition for a drama school, and they offered me a dance course on a 3-month trial, and I'm still on the 3-month trial 35 years later. When I was dancing, I realised there was a need for quality dancewear. It wasn't being catered for, so the decision was made, I'm going to open the business, I'm going to open a dancewear shop. We opened our first store in 1989. My wife and I run it as a family business, so our daughter's involved. I can remember early 2000s realising that this thing called eBay was a possible market we could use. But I watched what other people did. I watched products that were being sold. We thought, okay, we'll try a ballet shoe. So the first thing we ever sold on eBay was a pair of leather ballet shoes. One of the main reasons we love selling on eBay is it really is for everybody. You can go from the smallest hairpins, we sell hairpins, but I could go and buy a Ferrari if I wish to. Its scope is so wide. Online, obviously, it's 24/7. We're always open. So if you were looking for my product and I put it on eBay, you will find it. In our store, we're limited to our 9 till 5. People that walk in my shop, they're from Liverpool only. It gave us a great demographic to catch an audience we would have no chance of catching if we were just bricks and mortar. eBay has a superb reputation. It's very easy for people to trust the product. If you're trying to grow an eBay business, it always starts small, but from small acorns, large oaks grow. If you look after your customers, you will grow. Ship quick and keep them happy.
Keep updated on awards news, as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.